Hi, this video has been made to help Year 11 students learn to navigate their way around their online portfolio for Year 11 PE at Sacred Heart College. The online portfolio is done using Google Sites, and you should have received a login on your Gmail, which will take you, when you click on it, to this page. The other way to access this page is to go to the Ultranet Year 11 Core PE page and then look down on the sidebar and there's a direct link. There is a different link for each class, so just make sure you've got the right class. The class that I've got up here is the Year 11 Friday class with Mrs. Dickinson, 11 PE Friday DN. And from here we can have a little look at what everything looks like. So if you scroll down here, you'll notice that we have student B to M in this case, and some of the students have already updated details to have their names. So we've got Piper, I did her one in class, Jasmine, Alina up the top, and I think that we've got Ermandeep down the bottom. So if we scroll down, we will see student M here, and student M is the one that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to click on student M, and it's already been set up with a template ready to go. What you need to do now is just to work to personalize it. So at the top here, we've got this edit button. We can just click on that one there, and it will say there's student M. So I'm going to get you to write your name in there, and I'm just going to pick a name, and the name is going to be Jasmine Smith, and that's what we would do there, and we'll just save that for now and go on to the next one. Okay, and under Jasmine Smith we've already got one set up which says student M unit 1. So we would alter that one, so it would just be, we've got 2 Jasmines in this class, so we'll put both names, Jasmine Smith, Unit 1, and save. Now, sometimes we will need to add a new page because each unit we have new participation logs. So if you need to do that, you go back to your cover page here. It looks like this at the moment, but you can change that. And then from there we go up to add a page or create a page. So click on create a page. I want to call this Jasmine Smith Unit 2 because this will be the second unit. When it says select the template, we come down and we're going to do the logs and portfolio. So that's going to be the template that will automatically format itself. And then we want to put this one under Jasmine Smith so it comes underneath. And we create the page. And you'll find now that Jasmine Smith, if we scroll down the navigation bar, Jasmine Smith has Unit 1 and Unit 2 there ready to go. So we'll just come back to Unit 1, and if we're ready at the end of our lesson to do a log entry, we just edit the page, okay, and we can just type in. So if we do the date, the 9th of Feb 2016, and our activity, we'll say that we did long ball that day. How did I feel before? You can put great. Afterwards, really great. Feel free to use emojis or symbols there as well. Now, rate my participation, we get a 0 to 4, and here you can click here. If you've forgotten what the 0 to 4 rating is, you can just click on there and go to the link, and you can see here that if I didn't participate, I give myself a 0. If I participated to a medium level, a 3, and if I thought that my level of participation was excellent or very high, then I'd give myself a 4. So coming back to my participation, I'm going to rank myself for that day as a 3. Then I'm going to comment about factors that influenced our participation and explain these. So for example, the reason that my participation wasn't a 4 is that it was a really hot day and we were outside without any shade. I think because I was tired, hot and sweaty, that my participation was not as high as it could be. Okay, and there's your little explanation there. Depending on the day and depending on what's happening, your entry will be a little bit different there. Now at the end of your entry, you just click on save, and as you can see, that's only taken a few moments, and we do that each time. I'd like us to look now at our our individual title page. Okay, and this area here is where you can use this space to write a little bit about yourself and how you've developed your active lifestyle throughout the year. I really encourage you to include pics, little videos. You can use your phone in class, that's fine. And any feedback that you get, like from your reports or something like that, you can take a photo of it and upload it. At the end of the year, we will be using this page to do our final summary, so you can have a look all ready to go through and see what the expectations will be for your writing at the end of the year. So what I would like you to do is to actually have a play around with using this space. So click on the edit button again, and then you'll load up your editor, and over here you'll see that also change the layout and the format, if you want to do that, that's fine. So insert, and I want to insert an image, and I should be able to upload an image from various places. So I'm just going to see here just from my pictures and see what I can upload. And look, here is a picture of the Kiorahi field that we were playing on, so I'm just going to open that and wait for it to think, and then push OK, and that should go straight in there, hopefully. Let's see how it goes. I've got the option at the top to resize it. Okay, and I think to resize that, maybe I clicked off it too early. Oh, there we go. So I can resize it. I can make it small, medium, or large. I'm going to go for medium there, and I can choose whether I want to center it, etc., etc. Okay, I can also do some writing in here. So my favorite sport is futsal, which I have been playing for 2 years, etc., etc., etc. This is also a good opportunity just for me to have a chance to get to know a little bit about you as well. So your challenge for homework is to update your title page and to get it looking good. For the first few weeks, everybody will be able to view everybody else's pages, but you'll only be able to edit your own. And then after a few weeks, I'll take those viewing permissions away, and that way we can make sure that what's happening on these sites is our own work only. Please come and see myself, Mrs. Madsen, or Miss Breakwell if you have any questions or problems, and good luck for the year.